A very good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. After complete watching of this video, you will understand the reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, different reagent used in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. Previous lecture we had discussed about sulfonation and chlorination of benzene. Sulfonation and chlorination of benzene. Okay. In this lecture, we'll understand the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. What is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Alkylation means here we are inserting or we are adding alkyl group on the benzene ring. Okay. Friedel-Crafts alkylation is an example of electrophilic substitution in aromatic compounds. Thus, for the reaction, when benzene is reacted with an alkyl halide means methyl bromide, methyl chloride, etc. with a Lewis acid, it gives alkyl benzene. See the reaction when benzene is reacting with alkyl halide, that is RX or RCl, CH3Cl, CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, etc. with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In presence of AlCl3 is nothing but Lewis acid. If AlCl3 is not available, then we can use FeCl3 or FeBr3, which also act as a Lewis acid. Then we will get the product alkyl benzene. Okay, means R means any methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, butyl or so. Okay, this group can be inserted in the presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3, FeCl3 or FeBr3. Then it gives substitution of benzene, means one hydrogen is substituted with alkyl group. Okay, then look at the structure in the second. When benzene is reacted with methyl chloride in presence of FeCl3, we would get toluene or methyl benzene. Okay, means benzene is reacted in the presence of methyl chloride. This methyl group is inserted on that benzene ring, means it would get toluene or methyl benzene. Okay, then what is next? Benzene, when reacted with ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which is Lewis acid, then it gives ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene, which is substituted. Okay, means one hydrogen is replaced with this C2H5, means ethyl group. Byproduct is HCl. Then next one is benzene is reacted with more than 2 carbon atom, that is chloropropane. Okay, chloropropane in presence of FeCl3, it gives isopropyl benzene. Why it gives isopropyl benzene means why there is a one hydrogen atom is less than the which is shown in chloropropane. This reason we will discuss in the limitations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, just you keep in mind that when benzene is reacted with chloropropane in presence of FeCl3, we got the product, that is isopropyl benzene. Okay, then next one is we will discuss about Lewis acid and Lewis base. In this, Lewis acid, which having the property, that is which accept lone pair, whereas Lewis base which can donate electron pair. So it is called as Lewis base and Lewis acid. That is ammonia. In this case, ammonia is Lewis base, whereas aluminum trichloride, that is AlCl3, which is Lewis acid because it accepts electron pair. You just keep in mind. Okay. Next is a mechanism. First step, formation of electrophile. In this, methyl chloride, that is our alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide in present AlCl3 is Lewis acid. What it gives in this methyl chloride, chlorine has a property electronegative. Being a electronegative, which accept the electron or withdraw electron from methyl group, and this chlorine group then reacted with the Lewis acid, as Lewis acid can accept electron pair, and ultimately it gives AlCl4 minus and methyl group as a electron deficient after donation of electron or shifting of that bond towards chlorine group. Okay, then we will get that electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient. Actually we desired this electrophile. Okay, step second. In step second, attack of electrophile, that is methyl group, CH3 plus group, carbocation, we can say carbocation also, electrophile on benzene ring. Look at the screen. And benzene plus R plus. R plus means CH3 plus, C2H5 plus, C3H7 plus, and many more. Okay. At the time of attacking this electrophile, benzene, one bond of benzene can shift towards upper sides. Okay. After shifting of that bond means in the benzene ring and insertion of electrophile which occur same time. Okay, means what it gives? It gives alkyl benzonium ion. Alkyl benzonium ion means that bond is shifted. As bond is shifted, so that particular carbon atom get positive charge, means it becomes electron deficient. Okay, and at the same, this product means alkyl benzonium ion, already attack of electrophile is completed. Okay, next this electrophile attack plus AlCl4 plus. Okay, in this step what happen, that hydrogen ion means H plus, which removes from that alkyl benzonium ion, so that bond it shifted, means bond between carbon and hydrogen atom, as a hydrogen is losing itself without electron pair, so that electron pair, or we can say that bond that shifted towards carbon atom which is carbocation, means which having positive charge, so that positive charge is nullified or satisfied by that bond, particular bond carbon hydrogen, as hydrogen has removed itself. Okay, then what is the product? Then we will get our desired product, that is alkyl benzene. Okay, alkyl benzene. And next is, after losing of that hydrogen ion, means H plus and one chlorine form, that AlCl4 minus complex, means one chloride molecule atom means Cl minus plus H plus. What it gives? It gives HCl, and another is AlCl3, means our as usual step, that is regeneration of catalyst, means AlCl4 minus plus H plus. H plus from where? From alkyl benzonium ion. That H plus is reacting with AlCl4 minus complex, means AlCl4 minus one chlorine from that complex, it gives HCl and remains AlCl3. AlCl3 is a catalyst, that is our Lewis acid, which is used at the starting of reaction. Okay, this is the mechanism. Understood? We'll quick recap on this reaction and mechanism. Okay, what is the reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. We are reacting benzene with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide are Rx. Generally, X is represented for halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Okay, where R methyl ethyl alkyl. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, and a number. Okay, means when benzene is reacted with alkyl halide, for example, we can say CH3Cl methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3. What it gives? It gives methyl benzene. Okay, and what is the byproduct? HCl. This is the simple Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Then what is the mechanism? Mechanism is first step is formation of electrophile, or we can say generation of electrophile. Okay, in this case we consider alkyl halide is nothing but methyl chloride, CH3Cl plus AlCl3. AlCl3 is our Lewis acid. In the CH3Cl, Cl means chlorine group is a electronegative in nature. As a electronegative in nature, it withdraw the electron from methyl group. So methyl group becomes electron deficient, that is CH3 plus, that is CH3 plus means electrophile plus this chlorine is reacting with AlCl3 and it get AlCl4 minus. Then what is the next step? In the next step, attack of electrophile on benzene ring. This CH3 plus means in this case we can consider that it is CH3 plus is our electrophile. This CH3 plus it attacked by benzene ring. Why benzene is attacked through this electrophile? As benzene having pi electron cloud. So what it gives? It gives alkyl benzonium ion, means at the time of adding of that electrophile, benzene shifts or rearrange within benzene ring, that one bond is shifted towards the towards carbon atom where electrophile is attached. Okay, and as bond is shifted, so it particular carbon atom get positive charge. After that, what is the next? When this alkyl benzonium ion, after adding of that electrophile, it reacted with AlCl4 minus simultaneously. Okay, means in this structure, hydrogen ion from that carbon atom is removes itself without electron pair. So that particular electron pair or bond of that carbon hydrogen which shifted towards carbon atom which having positive charge. So our desired product we will get. Okay, but in this case, hydrogen from that particular benzene ring, it reacted with AlCl4 minus complex and it get HCl and AlCl3, which is our step 3, that is regeneration of catalyst AlCl3 plus HCl. Okay, this is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, in the next video we will discuss the limitations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay.